In front of me is OPPO A96, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer. So at first, reach camera, and then tap on more icon right here, and here you will notice timer. So just pick 3 or 10 seconds delay. Let me go with 3 seconds, and now as you can see, the picture would be grabbed after this countdown, so you'll be able to notice and hear also the time taken, and then the picture would be grabbed. To switch the timer off, just mark this first switcher, and now the picture would be grabbed automatically. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.